Here's a quick look at the 500R Mercedes I bought. So now I'm trying to fix the brake line leakage problem. And I thought about running a brake line from the ABS here all the way back. The ABS is labeled. The brake lines for the two back wheels, which are leaking, are in the middle of the ABS. The front middle two lines of the row of four. The two middle ones go to the back wheels. So I would need to run the lines all through here. They're bent very intricately. And looking under the truck here, I've taken off all the plastic panels to access the brake lines. And here are the brake lines. This one, I've broken it at this joint because it's rusting on the joints, and so I just broke it off. I'm probably going to try to clean cut that line and flare it. So both these lines here will need to get replaced. This other line, I'm guessing, is a fuel line, and that doesn't look too good either. That's not leaking yet, but boy, you don't want a fuel leak in this thing. So I don't know, buy a car from the Northeast. It's crazy. So back here is where all the real leakage took place. And I gotta pull these lines all out. And I was under here this morning looking around, and it looks like there's a coupler. There's a coupler back here where they've actually replaced this line once before, so I need a clean place to assert these brake lines, and there's nothing really valid as far as everything's corroded, so I gotta pull out all these lines in the parking lot here at the car parts store, which is not very pleasant under the car. The car is not jacked up, so it's safe. It's a high car, it's a high vehicle, so I'm just gonna wing it. I gotta get these little things to open up, these brake line assembly keeper things. I'm not sure how they work, and I've been breaking them. Anyway, this is gonna be a lot of work. Okay, right here is a coupler, so looks like someone put a coupler in before and replaced the line. There's the other line I'm gonna take out right there, so you can see the other line going into the driver's side rear wheel, and then I thought I put WD-40 on that, and then that one there goes to the rear passenger side wheel that I gotta address that too. So what I should do is get these things out of here and start bending up a line to go in here. It's not going to be too hard, but it's not going to be easy either. There's a lot of sneaky little bends. They kind of go around this frame member here. And there's another rubber thing to deal with. Who the heck knows? It's part of the fender, so that's really bad. And then you go along here, and you run down here, and here's where all the lines were leaking, right all back in here, right along here, onto my friend's driveway, onto countless roads, onto parking lots. I've probably put $60 of brake fluid in this thing just to keep it running. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and have a great day.